each and everyone to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you a new job notification which has just published, and the job is related to Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation. So what is the job? Who can apply? Total eligibility criteria, the number of vacancy, the total number of posts, and the different trade who can apply, what is the age limit, age relaxation, and obviously application mode as well as the application fees. All the things will be discussed in this video in details. So if you are interested, then keep watching this video till the end. Before going to detailed discussion, one thing is that if you are newcomer in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon just beside the subscription box and click all, because when I will put any type of videos related engineering tutorial or related any government job notification, you will be notified at that time. And click like, share and subscribe my channel. Please supporting my channel. So let's get started. In details discussion, where UPMRC Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation job 2019-20, which has declared for freshers and experienced both candidate of BTech, BE and as well as 10th pass and 12th pass degree postgraduate degree holder can apply for this job. And Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited UPMRCL invites the online application from young, dynamic and motivated, obviously Indian citizen to direct recruitment of managerial engineering and public relationship assistant post. So now here the executive category post, where assistant manager civil electrical and assistant manager S&T, assistant manager account HR and assistant manager public relationship, all these posts have just released as a vacancy, and where there are various number of vacancies here, and with the different pay scale for the different category post, and I will make all the screenshot in details in my video. Now come here, executive category post, where junior engineer civil, number of vacancy 58, and where the pay scale started from 33,000 and that will up to 67,300. Like junior engineer electrical, number of vacancy 40, pay scale is same. Junior engineer S&T, where number of vacancy 17 and the pay scale is same. Public relations assistant, number of vacancy 4 and the pay scale here included that 25,000 up to 51,000. If we are pointing out the qualification and experience in case of assistant manager civil and electrical S&T, where in both cases BE or BTech degree in civil, electrical and electronic instrumentation and communication, accordingly 60% marks can apply. In this case, where applying for candidate of unreserved EWS and OBC vacancies, and with minimum 50% marks, OBC candidate can apply for these posts. Now come the assistant manager in case accountant, where obviously CA or ICWA from government recognized university or institute with minimum marks, minimum percentage can apply for this job. Assistant manager HR, where MBA degree or PGDM degree in HR or equivalent from government recognized university with minimum 60% marks can apply. Assistant manager public relationship, where masters or mass communication or journalism degree holder with 60% marks and obviously the degree from recognized university can apply for this job. As well as junior engineer civil, where 3 years diploma degree with 60% marks, and in case of OBC and EWS, where 50% marks, and in case of also SC/ST candidate with 50% marks from equivalent renowned university or institute can apply. Junior engineer electrical, in this case only the degree from the electrical background. Junior engineer S&T, where 3 years diploma degree, electronics and electronics communication, 60% marks, In case of general and OBC candidate can apply with 50% marks. Public relation assistant where bachelor degree in mass communication or journalism with 60% marks can apply for this job. In both cases where SC/ST or OBC candidate with 50% marks for renowned university can apply. And one thing is that all the degree must be full-time from any renowned institute. Now come here the main term, that is what is the selection procedure, that is objective type online computer based test will be happened first. Those people who can clear this written online test are qualified for the personal interview test. Here the written test, what is the procedure of written test, the proform of the written test is mentioned here. I will mention in my screenshot. And if we pointing out the application fees, where the non-refundable fee of 590 rupees with GST at the rate 18% and exclusive of bank charges for each post, and SC/ST candidate are required to pay a non-refundable fees of 236 inclusive GST at the rate of 18% and exclusive of bank charges for the post. And if we pointing out the application format, how to apply, that is eligible and interested candidate should fill online application form through UPMRC UP Metro Rail official website. I will mention the link in my description box as well as my screenshot. Just follow this. Already started from 22nd November 2019 and the up to last date is 23rd December 2019 up to 11:59 PM. And important date as well as the starting date of application is 22nd November, which has already started, and this will up to ending up to 23rd December 2019. Download the admit card from the link, and this will be happened 3rd January 2020, and tentative exam date will be 13th January 2020. I think the total steps and total information I will mention in my video, and also I will mention the link from where you can download the PDF of the advertisement, and also I will mention the link where you can apply for online job. So hopefully this video will be helpful to each and everyone who are eagerly awaiting this type of job. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting my channel. I will definitely inform you when I will get any type of government job notification. I will mention as soon as possible. And if you have any queries, please write in my comment section below, and I will definitely try my best to clear all the doubts as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.